Update on measles in the United Kingdom and around. I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. Measles virus is a RNA virus type 1. This is the member of genus Morbillivirus in the Paramyxoviridae family. Humans are the only natural host of this virus. So what are the signs and symptoms of measles? Fever, malaise, coryza, cough, conjunctivitis. So coptic spots appear inside the mouth, bluish grayish in color, and maculopapular rash. This rash appears after 14 days post-exposure. Per patient is infectious 4 days before and 4 days after the appearance of rash. Rash appears first on the face and head and then spreads towards extremities. So what are the complications of measles? So the common complications from measles include otitis media, bronchopneumonia, laryngotracheobronchitis, and diarrhea. It can be serious, but in serious condition, patient require hospitalization. So 1 out of 1,000 will develop acute encephalitis. 1 to 3 in 1,000 patients will die due to neurological respiratory complications. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis, or SPE, is a rare but fatal degenerative disease of central nervous system characterized by behavioral and intellectual deterioration and seizures that generally develop 7 to 10 years after suffering from measles infection. So who are at risk of this disease? Infants and children less than 5 years of age, adults more than 20 years of age, pregnant women, people with compromised immune system such as leukemia patients and HIV patients. So what are the modes of transmission of measles virus? So this is the most contagious infection. 9 out of 10 susceptible patients after exposure will develop measles infection. It's a droplet or airborne spread, direct contact as well. When an infected person breathes, coughs, or sneezes, then sheds measles virus in the air, which can remain infectious in the air for up to 2 hours after an infected person leaves the area. What is the diagnosis? So, of course, based on the clinical history, diagnosis, on the travel, contact with measles person. So how we can confirm? So laboratory confirmation is very important for the reporting purposes to prevent the spread of measles. So measles specific IgM antibodies are detected. PCR is also done on the serum sample and throat swab as well as on urine sample. Up till from the 1st October 2023 to 29th of February, there are 650 confirmed cases of measles in the reported in the United Kingdom. Majority of them are in the Midland areas. There is a report of 1 death in Ireland, and measles cases are also being reported across the Europe. So the best thing is to get the vaccine, and if you are at risk of suffering with measles infection, or your children, or if anyone is unvaccinated, please contact your general practitioner or public health protection and get measles, mumps, rubella vaccine. Thank you very much for watching this video.